Here is again that big one owl. So early morning we just like had that.
One again? Sounds like it might be a resident of that area. Could it be a rock eagle owl or maybe a brown fish owl? Does it have those ear tufts?
So they are right now just trying to get some feed or food.
That's awesome. If they're hunting, you might get to see them in action. Are they scanning the ground or do they seem to be listening for movement?
They are looking quite
You're
active.
welcome. Enjoy the owl watching. Bye.
They are quite active today early morning. They were more sleepy and
Будь ласка, гарного дня.
okay, it took a flight. So where is that guy? Dekho. Okay. There is again something. So almost three owls at the same point. So this is the first.
Could you clarify what you mean
This
by
is the
of the models? Are you referring to owl species, wildlife patterns, or something else?
spotting almost like 3 to 4 owls at the same place. That means like it's like just their nest probably. And
Wow, that's a great find. If you're seeing 3 or 4 owls at the same level, it's very likely their nesting or roosting spot. Are they interacting with each other? Or just staying still?
no, they are not interacting, not even they are making a single chirp or sound, but yes, they are simply just sitting there to find a prey.
That makes sense. They're probably in rest mode, conserving energy for hunting later. If they're completely silent, they might be trying to stay unnoticed. Do they seem alert or just relaxed?